I drink the sun and sip the dew. I dress the bough in gowns of hue. I fade to gold when seasons woo. What fragile heart from green to blue? Didst thou guess it? The answer is leaf. I sing at dawn when dreams do flee. I own the skies, yet envy see. I build mine home in every tree. What voice of joy doth carol free? Didst thou guess it? The answer is bird. I roam with hum and robe of gold. I guard mine queen and hive untold. I gift thee sweet, though sting be bold. What alchemist of blooms behold? Didst thou guess it? The answer is B. I weaveth silk of silver thread. I maketh home where fools may tread. I catch the quick, the soft, the dead. What patient hand by hunger led? Didst thou guess it? The answer is spider. I follow thee where'er thou be. I know thy gait, thy form, thy plea. I fade with night, reborn by Lee. What twin of thine walketh with thee? Didst thou guess it? The answer is shadow. The scroll resteth, but the story breathes still.